Hello. Today we are going to use diagrams to help us solve multiplication and division number stories. Multiplication. We think about multiplication like equal groups. So if we have 3 groups with 4 in each, or 3 groups of 4, the number model or equation would be 3 times 4 equals 12. We can also use arrays where we have 3 rows of 4 with a 3 by 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Division can be used to find the number of objects in equal groups. So for example, when 12 oranges are divided into 4 equal groups, there are 3 oranges in each group. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. We can use multiplication and division diagrams to help us track the number of groups, the number in each group, and the total in the number story. Depending on what our unknown is, will let us know if it's multiplication or division. You have 4 packages of pencils. There are 6 pencils in each package. How many pencils in all? In this drawing here, we have 4 packages of pencils, or 4 groups, and there's 6 pencils in each. And we want to figure out how many total pencils we have. Since our question says how many pencils in all, that's what we're solving for. So we can use the letter P to represent pencils. So P stands for pencils. In the past, we've used a question mark for our unknown, but now we're going to move on to something a little bit fancier. We call these missing letters variables, but the important part to know is that you're solving for that missing letter. So if we have 4 packages and there's 6 pencils in each package, we want to know the total number of pencils. So our number model with the letter is 4 times 6 equals P. Our number model with our answer, well, 4 times 6 is 24. Oops. So how do we know our number model makes sense? Well, our answer is more than the number of pencils we started with. Let's try again. There are 3 rows of chairs. There are 8 chairs in each row. How many chairs are there in all? So our diagram looks like this, where we have C that stands for chairs. Since we have 3 rows and 8 in each, that lets us know that we're doing multiplication. Our answer, 3 times 8 is 24, and we want to use our unit of chairs. "21 puppies are placed equally in 3 pens. How many puppies are there in each pen?" Well, we have 21 puppies in all, and they're placed into 3 pens. We want to know how many puppies there are in each pen. That's our unknown. So our P is going to stand for puppies. Oops. We can write our number model 2 different ways. We can either say 3 times P, or 3 times the number of puppies equals 21, or we can say 21 divided by 3 equals P, We can even say 21 divided by p equals 3. Once we solve, we get an answer of 7 puppies. So if you look on the top, we have 21 puppies there, and they're actually arranged into 3 different rows. That could be our 3 different pens. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in each pen. Our last problem. Roberto has 3 packages of pencils. There are 12 pencils in each package. How many pencils does he have in all? So our letter P stands for pencils. You can say P is pencils, P represents pencils, however you would like to write it. Oops. Our number model is 3 times 12 because we have 3 packages of 12 or 3 groups of 12. And our answer, if you do 3 groups of 12, so you might need to add 12 plus 12 plus 12. You can do 12 plus 12, get an answer and add 12 more. You'll end up with 36 pencils. So by using diagrams, we can figure out what we're solving for. Are we multiplying? Are we dividing? What is our unknown? So by using these different diagrams, it can help us solve our multiplication and division problems.